In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view archived cards and lists in Trello. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or just looking to access something from the past, knowing how to find these archived pieces can be incredibly useful. Let's walk through the process together and ensure you can effortlessly find and restore any archived material when needed. First, you're going to want to log into your Trello account. Start by navigating to Trello's homepage or simply open the Trello app on your device. Once there, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. Now you're presented with several options for logging in. We are going to select Google, which is a common, straightforward method for many users. By clicking on Google, you'll see a list of accounts available for you to choose from. If you've previously linked your Trello account to a Google email, make sure to select that account to log in seamlessly. Once you're logged in, you're ready to navigate to your board. Head over to your Trello dashboard and select the board you wish to work with. If you're following along directly with us today, make sure you're on your test board or the board where you want to access archived items. You can easily switch between boards by clicking on the board name from your dashboard or by finding it in your board list. Now that you're on your desired board, the next step is to find the three dots button. This button is a tiny but important icon you'll locate in the top right corner of your board. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu that houses various board-specific options. Look through these options until you find one labeled Archived Items. Clicking on Archived Items will take you to a new screen displaying all your previously archived cards and lists. It's good to remember that archiving doesn't delete your cards or lists permanently. It simply hides them from your active board, making it easier to manage your tasks without deleting them entirely. This feature is fantastic for organizing boards that may get cluttered over time. While here, feel free to browse through your list and find exactly what you're looking for. If you wish to restore any card or list back to your board, just select the item and choose the option to send it back to your board or list. And that's all there is to it. With these easy steps, you can manage your Trello boards more effectively by accessing and restoring archived items whenever necessary. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful for a more organized Trello experience. Happy organizing,